If you're looking for a perfect, attractive, awesome looking background for your React application, search no more. Check out this tool. And that tool is inside of React Bits. If you don't know it yet, it's the best React animation library out there. It has 34,000 stars. It's the most starred repo of 2025. It even beats ShedCN, and it's famous for its amazing looking components. So we have, for example, these backgrounds which are pretty sick, and you haven't seen something like this anywhere else but in React Bits, and everything is open source and free, which is even more amazing. So we can have this kind of background just by clicking copy and paste inside of our project and putting it on our landing page. But now we are going even one step further. React Bits introduced their new tool called Background Studio. So here we can choose all those awesome backgrounds that you've seen there in React Bits library. So we have this ball pit, for example, which is pretty, I don't know what even to say about this one. This is really awesome. We have these beams, we have all those backgrounds, and what can we do? We can now actually here change our props. So let's choose something. Let's choose this ball pit, for example. So here we can now put ball count. We can put, for example, 350, much more balls than in the default version. We can choose gravity to make it a little bit slower, to put those balls to be heavier or lighter. Then we have this friction, and we can change everything. And then we can go to export code. Here, add that component with the ShedCN registry command and just put in the options that we chose inside of our sidebar right here. And we can do that for every single background from here. So we can choose, for example, this galaxy. This one is looking really sick. You see what's happening when I'm putting my mouse over. And we can turn on the star speed. Check this out. So now stars are going even with more speed. Then we have the density of stars, we have the hue shift. So every background has its own props. So if we check here, for example, this hyperspeed, this one also is looking really sick. For example, for this one, we can choose the background color. So here, instead of this color, we can choose something else. For example, something green like this. So we have now this green background, and we can put the preset to be something else. Currently, it was Cyberpunk. We can choose this Akira, Golden, or Split, or whatever it is, and then just use it. So I'll show you one more example. For example, this Liquid Ether. This one is looking really sick. Check this out. And it's keeping our background. So here we chose that green. We can choose now whatever we want. For example, this red is looking really sick with these colors. Check this one out with this purple, pink, or whatever it is. Imagine this one, like your users are coming to a landing page and they see something like this. I mean, this is really sick. You just put in whatever you want, like this mouse force. So it's forcing. I love it to be like with more force, like 30 or something like that. Yes, this one is looking awesome. Cursor size. So we can change literally everything, like all the props that exist on these backgrounds, we can change them from here, and we simply put in the ShedCN registry command and use those options, and it will look exactly the same on our application. And there are so many creative ways to use these backgrounds. I will show you one example, and it is my project. It is called the GitHub Creature. Here you can summon the creature based on your GitHub stats. So it depends how many contributions you had, followers, stars, etc. And based on that, you're getting a totally different card, and you're getting your power level, and based on your power level, you're getting a different React Bits background. So this is one way of using it. I really love this. So these are all, even this power level 10 card that we can see on ShedCN here, it's this background right here, and it is looking really amazing. It's giving it like that epic feeling, which is really awesome. It just has a little bit of opacity and that's it. Try to be creative. This is the perfect way to make your app attractive and not boring. Imagine somebody gets into your landing page and they see some background like this. They can only say, wow. I hope you enjoyed in this video. Go give React Bits a star. They definitely earned it. And for more content like this, join the mighty Horde, subscribe.